So, what are the typical reason of rejection? So, ano nga ba yung mga typical reason bakit tayo nare-reject or na-auto-denied? So, first, or number one, is health declaration. So, if you have a blood disorder, cancer, heart disease, hepatitis B, C, or liver disease, HIV infection including AIDS, kidney disease including dialysis, mental illness, pregnancy, respiratory disease that has required hospital admission or oxygen therapy. So once you have that kind of health or once you have that kind of sickness, pwede po tayo ma-auto-reject or auto-denial ng immigration. So here, let's proceed to our actual courses. So for early childhood education and care courses and community service courses, they have Certificate 3, Diploma of Early Childhood, Certificate 4, and etc. Marami pa po silang available na actual courses. So they have the enrollment, tuition, and material fees indicated. So at least you are aware of how much you're gonna spend as a student visa holder kung magkano yung mga actual courses na mababayaran. So for management courses, information technology courses, automotive courses, isandan din po naka-indicate yung onshore at offshore na enrollment, tuition, and material fees. So once nakita nyo na yung actual course related courses dito sa Pilipinas, nakukunin nyo sa Australia, example, you are an IT graduate, you need po, as a student, pag nag-apply po tayo, student visa holder, kailangan related po ang kurso na ating i-apply sa Australia. So at least you are aware or you have an idea of how much the enrollment, tuition, and material fees. So for trade courses, engineering course, and hospitality courses, naka-indicate din po ang kanilang tuition, material, and enrollment fees. So, ayan po kung magkano po ang inyong mababayaran sa kanilang mga actual courses or related courses po ninyo dito sa Pilipinas. So, yung course start date or yung intake is this year, 2024, we have 3 upcoming intakes. April, July, and October. But, we have some benefits for for April intake, for April intake. Because, for April intake, no show money, no IELTS, and it's so basic to apply as a student visa holder. Ang bilis ng visa granted nila for this April intake. But I don't know if long-term siya, pang matagalan siya, aabot pa siya ng July or October. But 100% for sure right now is for April intake. For summary of fees, so a lot of my client asking this kung magkano ang kanila summary of fees. So here, to answer your question, school tuition fee, school enrollment fee, school material fee, visa application fee, medical fee, OSHC for 1-year single applicant, and biometrics. Naka-include na po din lahat naman na-mention ko is 7,245 Australian dollars. So sa peso po, it's 253,550 pesos. But for assurance, we advise always our client na estimated lang po ito, so add 10% buffer para po hindi po tayo kulangan. Much better po na maging sobra ang ating processing na pera or paghandaan kaysa po sa kulangan po tayo. So, aming summary of fees na naka-include na po lahat na kailangan is 253,550 pesos. So how to earn almost 1 million in just 5 months. So if you work 40 hours a week at the $35 an hour, you will be paid 1,400 per week salary. So in just 5 months, as a student visa holder or a single applicant, you earn almost 1 million in just 5 months. But if you ayan yung kanilang mga computation. So, $11,200, $16,800 hanggang sa maka-earn po tayo ng $28,000. So, sa Philippine peso siya, almost 1 million na po yung ma-earn nyo as a student visa holder in just 5 months. So, biruin nyo yun, in just 5 months, you earn $28. In peso, it's 1 million. Sobra pa sa million. So, how to earn 1 million in just 5 months? Work as a student visa sa Australia. So, how to earn 2 million in just 5 months as a couple? So, based pa din po ito sa 40 hours a week at $35 an hour, they will be paid 1,400 per week each to Together, they make 2,800 per week salary. So, ayan yung kanilang income as a couple. So, as a couple, in just 5 months, you earn $56,000. So, Australian dollars, so sa peso, it's almost, no, it's not almost, but it's 2 million pesos. So here, let's proceed to our 8-step application process. So step 1, sign the agreement. Step 2, submit all the requirements. Step 3, assessment of your qualification. Step 4, you will receive an advice. Step 5, submit application to school. Step 6, convince the immigration that you are a genuine student. Dito na papapasok ang ating SOP or statement of purpose. So ayan, step 7, submit visa application. And, excuse me. Step 7, submit visa application. Then step 8 is arrange accommodation and travel. So ayan yung ating 8-step application process. So these are the 3 stages for this initial or stated below to get you started. So here, form, fill up the PDF form agreement, school enrollment form, etc. Submit all the required document, pay the enrollment fee directly to school, pay the tuition fee to school, immigration po, apply for a visa. Direct po kayo magbabayad ng tuition fee sa school and sa immigration. So, ayan po, wala pong dadaan sa company except for your professional fee or company fee na nakasaad po sa ating kontrata. Don't worry, before you start your application from us, may contract po kayong babasahin and may pipirmahan po tayo para po you are aware for the whole processing procedure. So, ayan po ang ating word of the day. It's a big world out there. It would be shame not to experience it. So, ayan guys, yung ating short live seminar this afternoon. Thank you so much for joining our FB Live seminar. So, sa mga gusto pong sumali or sa gusto pong mag-start ng inyong processing, you can drop down your full name, number, and after the seminar, you're gonna receive a call from our team. Or if you have a question, just drop down also your number and your full name. Then, after this live, our team is gonna call you back. Or gusto nyo po set up ng appointment for face-to-face consultation. Same procedure, just drop down your full name and number. Then after the seminar, tatawagan pa kayo ng aming team. So, thank you for joining our short live seminar this afternoon. Have a great day, everyone. Once again, my name is Paulina Tanner from Accentrix.